This is my pierogi pan. Coconut spray on the bottom. Someone's dying to give them some of my delicious pierogies. My poor great-grandmother used to spend hours making these. And I can go to the dollar store and make pierogies better tasting than hers. Sorry, great-grandma. She used to call me Jimmy boy, Jimmy. That Ukrainian accent. My great-grandmother was one of the first recipients of a pacemaker. If you line them up just perfect. You get them to fit. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I was pretty sure that it was a baker's dozen. They had 13 in there, but this one's got 14. So we got to fit them all. Don't want to overcrowd them. That looks well balanced. And in the center, I have some peppers and onions. This was two 14-ounce packages. We wanted to go a little something extra. That's a big one. We got to break that up. Give it a little tear. Give that one a tear. Actually, we're going to throw that one out. Normally, I only use one, but we figured we go a little extra because after they're done, all right, last but not least, we got a little butter. And you don't really have to worry about it. What you got to do is plop it. That's out of the fridge. 3 tablespoons. I want to turn it on high. Until I start to hear something, and then turn it down and put the flame as low as I can and let it cook for like 20 minutes until the bottom side is perfectly brown. How to cook perfect dollar store pierogies. Thank you, Poppies. These are Poppy's pierogies, Polish style. But this is how I cook them. Yummy. My dinner. Love you.